In this aid, we will voice our own and market's perspective on ADA future while talking about Cardano cost estimate for 2022 and then some. Kindly remember that you ought to think about this and some other forecast while considering other factors, since foreseeing anything is an unpleasant undertaking, not to mention anticipating the fate of a novel, profoundly unstable monetary resource like ADA. Presently, how about we head into it? Before we dive profound into the Cardano value forecast and answer questions on the off chance that Cardano is a wise speculation or not. For what reason will ADA succeed or fall flat, or for what reason will ADA value rise or drop? We should rapidly toss a look at what is Cardano and its to-date history. What is Cardano? Cardano is a decentralized organization based on blockchain innovation that likewise has its own coin named ADA. Notwithstanding the well-known Cardano digital money, the Cardano network empowers brilliant agreements and decentralized applications on its harmless to the ecosystem programming, while at the same time keeping up with the security gave by comparative blockchain. Cardano value forecast. The entire crypto world is on an edge of a total breakdown. Bitcoin has fallen 75% from its unequaled high in the midst of more extensive market declines brought about by seething expansion, and US took care of rate climbs. At the point when add the latest implosions of colossal industry players into the situation, the horizon is dinky and there will be more blood in the city of the crypto town. Financial backers are selling unsafe resources and moving into additional steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an exceptionally hazardous play, and thus the auction. Our algo still sees a some green in 2023, particularly in the second piece of the year. This is reflected in our 2023 forecasts. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a base before we can move the other way and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the far off and later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days with a smidgen of a positively trending market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause a run-of-the-mill, an unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost forecast model with a complex way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and basic evaluation of each task. Essentials that we assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, advertising endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and speculative potential, and a few other restrictive elements created in our crypto lab. 2022-12-01, 0.31% $0, 3046 2022 1202 plus 0.18% $0, 3061 2022 1203 plus 5.39% $0, 3220 2022 1204, 0.17% $0, 3050 2022 1205 plus 3.23% $0, 3154 2022 1206, 2.66% $0, 2974 2022 1207 plus 0.81% $0, 3080 2022 1208 plus 2.66% $0, 3137 2022 1209, 1.60% $0, 3006 2022 1210, 2.83% 29 cents. Cardano value forecast 2022. High expansion and very hazardous full-scale circumstance considered vigorously. Bitcoin cost in 2022. At the point when we take the inner crypto issues with large players like FTX, Celsius, Explorer, Luna going down, 2023 isn't looking excessively really great for the bulls. We will presumably see a ton of exhausting sideways cost activity with a propensity to slip lower with every minor market quake. Expectation model brings market feeling into a record and responds appropriately. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of the last a very long time of 2022 and 2023, 2022 deck. 10.67% $0, 2729, 2023 Jan. 27.58% $0, 2213, 2023 Feb. 16.71% $0, 2545, 2023 Blemish. 9.47% $0, 2766, 2023 APRA. 2.22% $0, 2988, 2023 May. 0.17% $0, 3050, 2023 June. Plus 13.96% $0, 3482, 2023 Joel. Plus 21.31% $0, 3706, 2023 Aw. plus 28.77% $0.3934 SEP, plus 36.31% $0.4165 2023 plus 47.64% $0.4511 2023 plus 51.50% 46 cents a dia value forecast 2025. Our forecast model sees ADA coming to 74 cents in 2025. What will ADA be worth in 5 years? The cost of ADA in 5 years could lie around 70 cents. Cardano value expectation 2030 to 2040. What Cardano will be worth in 2030. Our anticipating model sees Cardano coming to $1.85 in 2030. What Cardano will be worth in 2040. Our determining model sees Cardano coming to $3.70 in 2040. Will Cardano supplant, outperform, overwhelm Bitcoin? No, Cardano won't supplant or overwhelm BTC. Might Cardano at any point reach $10? Indeed, Cardano could reach $10 toward the finish of 2025. Could Cardano at any point reach $100? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Cardano to reach $100 in the short or midterm period. Could Cardano at any point reach $1,000? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Cardano to reach $1,000 in the short or midterm period. Is Cardano worth purchasing? We are supporters of reasonably unsafe financial planning. Put the vast majority of your crypto portfolio in BTC, 35% in a bin of enormous cap coins, and the rest in little ventures with gigantic potential gain. Along these lines, in this unique circumstance, Cardano merits purchasing. Is Cardano a wise speculation? Cardano is, very much like any remaining digital currencies, an unsafe speculation. It has higher likelihood of going up than down as a result of the great use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area, and a strong group behind it. What amount will Cardano be worth? For the transient future, it could reach 19 cents. In the long haul, it could leap to $1.85 or significantly higher. For what reason will Cardano succeed and become more expensive? Cardano has a decent use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area, and a strong group behind it. These are an essential for progress, and to that end our expectation model sees Cardano ascending to $1.85 in 2030. For what reason will Cardano fizzle and drop in cost? Crypto projects fizzle in light of multiple factors. The absolute most normal ones are: group denounces any kind of authority and leaves the venture, controllers announce it unlawful and press trades to delist it, absence of media consideration, more fruitful contenders, absence of all-around plan promoting methodology, losing local area support, expected weakness in the convention, neglecting to accomplish expected least development movement on the convention, neglecting to draw in new engineers to expand on their foundation. How high will Cardano go? Our estimating model sees Cardano value detonating and coming to $3.70 in a far-off future. What is the transient expectation for Cardano? Cardano will reach 19 cents in the following 90 days, which is a 37.6% change over the ongoing cost, which floats around 30 cents. Might Cardano at any point make you a mogul? Indeed, in the event that you